Hello YouTube friends. Welcome to the Car Release TV channel. Please subscribe to this channel and activate the bell so you get the latest video updates. Rumors have been flying around about a Mazda CX-9 redesign, but, as of this writing, there is nothing official to back that up. While it's certainly true that the current CX-9 generation is 6 years old following its last redesign for 2016, we do not yet know if Mazda's 3-row SUV will benefit from a makeover for the upcoming year. That said, we do know that Toyota and Mazda have partnered up at a factory in Alabama to build a new SUV. It's unclear if this mystery vehicle will be a next-gen CX-9 or possibly a new mid-sized SUV called the CX-7. In its home market of Japan, Mazda offers a similar-looking crossover with a 7-passenger capacity called the CX-8. Mazda has shaken things up over the past year in its lineup. The brand's first EV, called the MX-30, will arrive for 2022, and we finally received confirmation earlier this year that the CX-5 diesel was discontinued. Most recently, the company axed both the CX-3 subcompact crossover as well as the long-running Mazda 6 midsize car. Tech from the CX-9 has managed to make its way to more vehicles. For example, the Mazda 3 and CX-30 both offer the same 2.5T turbo engine as the CX-9, rated at up to 250 horsepower. We think it's unlikely that Mazda will introduce a more advanced powertrain involving hybrid or plug-in hybrid technology, as we've already seen from Hyundai. In terms of release date, we don't have production data to suggest when the next CX-9 will arrive. The Japanese automaker hasn't been immune to a semiconductor shortage that has affected most major brands. However, our records indicate that the CX-9 has gone on sale in the fall for at least the past 4 years in a row.